Hi everyone, it's Toby from CineSim. Welcome to our 7th CineSim tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create an intense fight scene, complete with character actions. And let's get started. In this video, we'll use one of the preset templates, and that is train. Alright, we go into train, and you can see that everything is just so dark. The reason is that the environment now is at midnight, so of course it's very dark. So we just move it to late afternoon, maybe 5 something. Alright, it's good. And of course, this is a scene, so we need 2 characters. And let's place 2 characters there. We place Kai and rotate it so that Kai will be facing us. And also drag Maria. Alright, so we get 2 characters here. And of course, we need animations. So we click on Kai and then choose animations, we type argue. We drag it to him, and then you just need to slide it to somewhere you want. And one small tip is that pause the animations and drag it to somewhere you want bit by bit. It's more convenient. So maybe I want these actions. This is some action I want. And also with these actions, he should be really angry. So just make him more angry. And focus on his leg. Alright, so he's still standing on the floor. It's good. So we finished setting up Kai. Then let's choose an animation for Maria. Animation again. Maybe we use idle. Idle is a very good one. So we drag it to her. And now maybe this is a good one. She should be pretty fair. Alright, so I like this one. Okay, so let's place them closer. And before we set up lighting, of course we need to set up a camera. So we press C, camera wheel. And because this train is just so small, but we want to have a very shallow depth of field, so what can we do? We change to 35mm and then focus on them. We turn off the autofocus. Alright, and everything is just so dark. What can we do? One of the reasons is that now the sun is not really shining on the right direction. So we just need to change the sun directions and see whether there's any difference. Alright, this direction looks good. Can we do a little bit more? Yes. Change the time. Alright, so now it looks a bit great. But still, the interior environment is just so dark. So what can I do? One tip is that we can actually add some artificial lights inside the scene. So we go to light and we add an RGB tube on top of their head. This is also a very practical application in reality. Alright, and let's make it stronger. And because now we are in the late afternoon, so we are better to change the temperature to maybe 3000 something. And let's click Ctrl spacebar to see whether there's any difference. Alright, so the scene is a little bit brighter. That's good, but still not bright enough. So let's increase the aperture and focus on them first. Okay, and you can see that it is just way too bright. But after adjust the ISO and other settings, it's somehow better. And somehow I want to adjust a bit of the fluorescence too again. So just decrease a bit on intensity. Let's see. Alright, so this scene is such a good one. Yeah, you can see that with just a few clicks and also some basic techniques in lighting and also cinematography. And the most importantly is about your thoughts. So we change the direction of the sun, we change the lens, we also added artificial lights here. So yeah, we get the scene that we want. And that's it for creating a fight scene in CineSim. In the next videos, we'll talk about lighting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tutorial. And see you next time.